Tatiana, guess what we're doing after work today? Or after school? Or after I get off work? Guess what? We're gonna make slime.
We're gonna make slime? Yeah, it's a rainy day.
Fast as you can.
Look at what rain it is. It looks like a waterfall. Yeah, it looks like a waterfall.
Alright, you guys. Love you guys.
Love you, Daddy.
Alright, you guys, so the kids are dropped off at school safe and sound, okay? About to go to work. It's raining. You know how it is on rainy days. It just doesn't feel like summer. Summer's always good, you know? But I'm on my way to work, about to cut a couple of head, and can't wait to get off to basically make slime with my kids. So stay tuned for that. Listen guys, one thing about today in the shop, matter of fact this whole week, is that George is not here.
Clap it up, man.
Clap it up.
Good thing George ain't here, man. Tired of that boy. Always coming in here hella angry, looking hecka ugly. And it's just like, man, go somewhere. And he finally went to Mexico. He ain't coming back.
Okay.
He ain't coming back no more.
Memo, I know it's like, how do I say goodbye to what we had? All that. I know. Remember, I can't do it. Justin, how do you feel about
you know, I could walk out this shop and I ain't gotta hear my name walking out this shop, but turn around and no one's looking at me.
Hey Justin.
What's up? So I'm kind of happy George ain't here for right now.
Man. True, the antics need to stop. George, you need to do better.
I'm not
Come
getting
on.
as many compliments as I should be.
You say you're not getting as compliments as you should be? What do you mean by that?
George be giving me compliments, man.
Arlen, how you feel about George right now about being here?
I hate that guy.
Yeah? Yeah, pretty much. I mean, it's been a smooth day today now that George isn't here. And I'm just gonna take this opportunity to maybe cut in his spot today. You know? I might cut in his spot today. Let's see what he got in here. Okay.
Oh, that's what y'all talking about?
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, George?
George not being here. Talk to him. Talk to him. Memo, talk to him.
I hear that?
What?
Quiet. He said quiet.
It's peace and quiet.
God damn, he can hear us talking about him in Mexico.
George.
He can hear us.
George. The day you come back, it's gonna be like,
Oh man!
That's still cold.
ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, fathers and parents, dogs and cats. This is my cousin right here, Kev. Talk to him, Kev.
What's up with it?
What a wise man once said.
A wise man always says, listen to another wise man.
See, the thing is, if you listen to a wise man, you won't have to hear him. Sometimes you're gonna have to walk before you crawl. And before you make it, you're gonna have to already be there. Now, I'm gonna leave you with this. Sometimes you got to work for it in order for it to work for you. Yeah, can I get an amen? Can we get a new pastor that knows what he's talking about? Listen, always listen to another wise man. But for right now, Uncle Kev. Uncle Kev. Now, we know that George isn't here today. How you feeling? George. George, you gotta do better. Listen, you gotta do better, George. You gotta do better. All right, you guys, this is the last cut of the day because after this, I gotta go get some slime. But yeah, hold on. Let me show you guys what I'm working with real quick. All right, so you already know it's going down. About to change his life in 1, 2, 3. All right, you guys, we are done here. It's over. We're done. All right, let's check out the cut here. YouTube, this is the cut, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. This is not the end of the video. I'm just playing. But hey, this is it. This is the cut. You got anything you want to say? You want to shout out your Instagram or something like that?
No, I got no social media, man.
Okay, he doesn't have any social media, but I'm pretty sure he's glad to be on here, and we're out of here. All right, I'll meet you guys at the what is that? The store? Okay, I'm out.
I can't wait to make slime!
Okay, all right. Okay.
The internet!
To the internet. All right, you guys. Let's try to figure it out, okay? How to make slime with glue.
Dad, we can't make slime with glue.
Yes, we can.
Dad, it needs to be colored.
Tatiana, we'll put color in it, okay? Zip it. Zip it. Zip it. How to make glue, only easy. Make slime with glue and water, only easy. Okay, so we need clear glue. Okay, let's fast forward here. What else?
Okay,
So you mixing the glue? Food coloring? Okay.
Dad, it's ink. That's ink.
It's food coloring.
It's coloring.
You just seen it. If you would have read, it would have said food coloring. Okay?
That's how you do it. I don't
Exactly, Jared.
Okay, what is
Lens
that?
solution?
Yeah, you do need that.
What the heck?
Dad, you do need that to make it turn into slime. That's the whole point.
Okay, Tatiana, why are you acting like add some more? Why are you acting like you know? Okay, all right.
I want a little bit of glue.
So we got the gist of it.
I know,
We got
but
the gist of it. We
it's
got
that
the gist of it. We got the gist of it.
Okay.
To the store.
Okay, so I guess we're using the big tub of glue. Let's get it.
But what about this glue? Yeah.
This glue. You want clear glue? This glue?
This glue.
Yes. Okay.
Clear one. Tatiana, it wouldn't be right without some glitter.
I'm getting this one.
Pick one.
The hard choice. They both look nice.
Pick one. Pick one, pick one, pick one, pick one, pick one, pick one.
Don't rush me.
Pick one, pick one.
Blue. Now everybody.
All right, right now we're looking for the food coloring. I don't know where that is, so we're gonna have to hunt that down. Okay? So we looked, and wouldn't you know, the food coloring in such a small area, in a big place. This is beyond me. Let me get this one.
And I can't wait to make it. Can't wait to make it. I've always wanted to do slime my whole entire life.
Next, we gotta look for bowls.
Here? Daddy, here?
Where? Oh, nah, those bowls aren't big enough.
Down here?
Okay, Tatiana, get the biggest one. I just need 2.
Jared's too. What about Jared's?
There's 2 in each.
There is?
Exactly. Okay, can we put it in the cart? Put it in the cart. Thanks. Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks.
I want to do it right now.
If you heck make it obvious that we're filming, you know that? The way you hold the camera, the way you look. The way you look is like... And we're done here. And we're done here. Matter of fact, I see you guys at home. You two, we are back and we're about to make slime, okay? So, you ready?
Yes.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you want some slime? You want some glue?
Yes.
Okay, me first, okay? Me first.
It looks so cool.
Yeah, I know. I don't know how much to use, but I'm gonna use a hefty amount.
But
All
Dad,
right,
I
let's
don't
even
think
it
I
out.
would. But Dad, if you put a lot of it, then that's how much slime you have.
Okay, let's even it out. Okay, let me add a tad bit more to mine.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, let's get it down.
Okay, no, hold
You
on.
just want more slime.
No, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough there.
Mine smells like really good.
All right, now let's pick up our color.
This
Pick up our color.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, your glitter. You ready? So pour a slight bit amount, however you want. I want mine to be kind of shiny, so I'm gonna use it all. How about that?
Yeah, I'm gonna use mine all. Me too. I want mine pretty glittery.
You know what? It'd be better if I took the top off.
Yeah. Yeah, I see that. I tried doing that. Oh, there we go. There goes mine.
Okay.
It's like stuck in there. Oh, me. Look.
You need help? Let me see. That's the best it's gonna get. Jared, you good? Let me see. Get them out of yours out, Jared. That's the best it's gonna get. You know what? Let's stir.
drop?
Let's stir. Let's stir.
Okay, let's stir then.
Let's stir. Get your. Here you go, Jared. Let's stir. Whip it.
Mine's gonna be like a little. Dad, look at yours.
I know mine looks dope.
I know mine looks like it's just clear glitter in mine. Mine looks blue. I'm the only one that has clear glitter. I literally need more, Daddy. I need more.
That's how you don't need more. Yours is clear. Yours is clear. What you mean?
I'm not supposed to be glitter like this.
Now take our colors here. Okay, Jared. Oh, all right, Jared.
One drop.
Okay,
It's like one.
couple drops. That's about it. Couple drops.
Mine's black.
Yeah, just all right, now stir. Now it's really red.
Mom, get it right. Mom, Daddy, mine's purple.
Well, you grab the purple.
I thought it says pink. Ooh, but it does look pretty.
Okay, now that we have stirred all that we can stir, let's add this activator with some type of spoon. Can we get some spoons around here? A spoon! Bang! A spoon! Please!
Daddy, look, it's turning into it.
We're running out of time!
Boom.
Okay. So, now that we got our spoon,
It looks.
where did that possibly could come from? Let's start putting some of this activator in here. You guys gotta keep stirring. Boom. Activator, keep stirring. Boom, activator, keep stirring. Boom, activator, keep stirring. Boom, activator, keep stirring.
It's turning into it. I'm stirring it so fast. Look at mine. Mine's getting. I think I need a little bit more.
Hold on, Tatiana, keep stirring. Oh snap, it does. It
I'm
works.
thinking it is. Then we need a little bit more stuff.
Okay, Tatiana, just keep stirring it.
Look. It's turning into it.
Snap, this actually works.
I know. We did it.
All right, Jared, let me help you out here, sir. All right, you doing good.
Dad, I need help.
Tatiana, no, you don't.
hand is
You just need more
tired.
activator. Let's go, Jared. More activator, sir. Just keep stirring.
Oh.
Okay, Tatiana, your turn. Jared, keep stirring, or else it's not gonna do right.
Mine's getting soft. Mine's getting hard and harder. Mine's getting harder. No, mine's getting really harder.
Why is this turning into this?
Cause you wanted it to,
My
right?
arms hurt.
I know, mine is.
My arms is dying right now. My goodness.
Mine's not. Dad,
Alright,
I need
Jared.
help.
Jared, you need more. That's what you need. I don't know why mine turning into it and yours not.
My hands hurt. Mine's working. That's pretty good.
Okay, I don't know what to do from here, so technical difficulties. This might be a fail. So, yeah, to commercial, please, to commercial. I just don't feel like this is like the same stuff that's online.
I know, Dad. This isn't really like slime.
This is more like, I don't know what this is. This is.
Dad, I found something in
I
it.
feel like this is an epic fail at this point.
I don't know my dad's talking that. But I'm having fun. Yeah, mine looks good. Oh, I keep mine. Daddy, look.
Yours is more gooey than everybody's. Let me see yours.
Mine's gooey. Look at it. It's not even ripping.
Yeah, this is all ripping.
Dad, look. See, look at mine. Mine's not ripping at all.
Yeah.
Mine's like the goodest one. I can do this.
All right, you guys. This was our attempt to make some slime, and at this point,
It turned out great.